In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TC2000 Workspace. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional starting point and know how to create additional layouts you can switch between with a single click. We'll begin with the fastest way to get going, using a built-in workspace. At the top of the screen, click File. From the menu that appears, choose Open Factory Default Workspace. This instantly loads a standard layout with your main chart, a watch list, the news panel, and other essential tools already arranged for you. Think of it as a ready-made control center designed to get you analyzing the market right away without any heavy lifting. Once it opens, take a moment to scan what's on screen. You should see a chart area, a list of symbols, and supporting panels positioned for quick access. This setup is a reliable foundation and importantly, it's just a starting point. You can customize panels, sizes, and layouts later as you get comfortable, but you don't have to do any of that now. The goal is to get you productive immediately with a sensible default. Next, let's talk about layouts, because your workspace is made up of them. A layout is like an individual screen within your workspace, and you can flip between layouts to match what you're doing, such as scanning, charting, or reviewing news. Think of layouts as tabs in a binder, each focused on a different task. To add a new layout, look along the bottom of the TC2000 window and click New Layout tab. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to build it. If you want something structured right away, pick a pre-built layout. These come with a chart and watch list combination already arranged, which is perfect if you prefer not to start from scratch. If you enjoy full control or have a specific vision in mind, choose a starter layout. That gives you a blank canvas so you can place and arrange components however you like. After you've selected and adjusted your new layout to your liking, make sure you save it so you can return to it later. Click Save Layout. And give it a name that clearly describes its purpose, such as Daily Charts or Earnings Watch. Good naming makes it easy to switch context quickly without guessing what each tab contains. That's it. You've launched a factory workspace for a quick start and learned how to create and save layout tabs to organize your workflow. From here, you can keep building out layouts as your trading needs evolve.